Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we will take a look at the daily chart for both Nifty and Bank Nifty and we'll take a look at the levels where we can trade tomorrow. But before that, a disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame. And as you can see here, we have another red bearish Morubozu type candle. And if you have seen yesterday's video, I had mentioned that the down move was certain. I was, however, expecting a recovery and most probably a doji candle, which was mentioned in the video yesterday. But today, as you can see here, we still have a downside and the continuation of the downside is expected to continue in the coming trading sessions as well. Tomorrow as in today is Bank Nifty expiry and tomorrow it's going to be Nifty expiry. So we may expect movement, a one directional movement in these 2 days, right, for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's take a look at the levels for tomorrow. For Nifty, the key levels to watch out for are 22,511 on the upper side. Anything above 22,511 will mean that the upside rather the downside has ceased and the upside may resume. So the key level is 22,511. If the price sustains about 22,511, then in that case we may expect the 22,777 levels to be retested in the coming trading sessions. On the lower side, 22,222 is a very crucial level, below which I think 22,000 is the next target which we can look for on the daily charts. Also, if the 22,222 level breaks, then in that case we will see 22,000 level retested, as well as 21,933 could be one of the targets, and also the bottom of this dotted purple channel can also be retested. Now I expect those levels to be retested in the coming trading sessions, and from there we may again expect a reversal or a bounce back, right? The key level for tomorrow, another key level for especially for opening is 22,344, which happens to be this level, right? So if the price opens nearby or up just above it, then in that case from there we may see a downside. But if there is a huge gap up, right, if the gap up is somewhere around 22,411 or 22,422 or even beyond that, then we may see a short covering rally in the morning, and then followed by that we may again see a sell off, where new sellers would join in, as well as everyone who would have purchased will want to cover their um, profits, right? So all in all, I think it's going to be a red day again tomorrow, but let's see how things go. The key levels again, 22,511 and 22,222. Let's move on to Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty, as expected, has shown a down move. I had mentioned day before yesterday as well as yesterday that the two candles for the two trading sessions had taken support at the middle of the purple channel. As you can see here, this was the middle of the purple channel, and for the past 2 days, the price had taken support from that level and bounced back a little. However, I had mentioned that since the support was taken on back-to-back occasions, the level was weak, and if that level breaks, then we may retest the bottom of the purple channel, which is still possible tomorrow, right? So tomorrow, 48,000 levels is something which we may expect to be retested, and from 48,000, we may expect a reversal or a bounce back. Also, there is also a good chance that level 22,644, roughly around 22,644, may also be tested tomorrow, or the candle may close at around this particular level, right? The level which I just now said, 47,644, and from there we may again expect a green candle the next day, which will take the price back into the purple channel. So that is still possible. Um, According to me, 48,000 level is certain. We may see 48,000 being retested. After that, whether the price sustains below that or reverses, that needs to be watched. Okay. So tomorrow, today is Bank Nifty expiry and tomorrow is Nifty expiry. So be aware of that. Trade with very less quantity. That is going to be volatility till the elections get over. So uh, play with very less quantity, and according to me, don't place any stop loss because stop loss are going to get hit, but we may see movement on either sides, right? Alternatively, as I had mentioned in yesterday's video, take a trade which is not for this expiry. Instead, it is for a later expiry, maybe 16th or maybe 23rd or maybe after that, right? The May end. So trade for expiries which are at at a later point of time, right? The key levels for tomorrow for Bank Nifty are 49,033 on the upper side. So if the price breaks above 49,033 and sustains above it, then in that case we may again see 49,066 level being retested. And if 49,066 level does not sustain, then in that case we may see the top of the purple channel being retested as well in the coming trading sessions. Maybe not tomorrow, but in the coming trading sessions. On the lower side, 48,199 is the key level to watch out for. If this level breaks, which most likely it will, then the next target that we see is uh, roughly around 48,000, right? 47,988 or 48,000. And if this level, at this level, if the price reverses, then we may see an up move, or else we may see a continuation down move till 47,666 and 47,344 levels, right? The ones with 644 levels, which I suggested just now. So these are the key levels to watch out for Bank Nifty. We are not currently looking at Dow Jones because it's election season here, and irrespective of Dow Jones movement, I think we may or may not see an impact of that. However, one thing I wanted to show is this is interesting. So for the past 5 days, Dow Jones has been showing green candles and the price movement has been up, as against which Bank Nifty has been down on all the 5 days, and same has happened with Nifty. So kind of rather than influencing it, it is kind of uh, taking the reverse route, right? So Nifty and Bank Nifty are acting in a direction which is opposite of Dow Jones at present. So that is expected to happen because this is election season going on here, and there will be a lot of volatility, and also there are a lot of macroeconomic factors which are going on, which are going around, right? Related to wars and other stuff. So it is bound to influence, but the key thing to understand from Dow Jones, if you are following Dow Jones, then key thing to understand here is with each uh, green candle you have seen a gap of opening, right? So if you see this from here, I think this was a gap of opening. This it closed here, gap of opening, then again gap of opening, closed here, gap up, gap up. Sorry, this was gap down opening but closed here, then again a gap of opening, closed here, again a gap of opening, closed here, again a gap of opening, closed here. So tomorrow also I'm expecting a gap of opening, but the price would continue to move lower. That's what my expectation or anticipation is. So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you are able to take trade, and whether you took trade today, and whether you made profits or whether you booked losses. And also, if there's anything else you would want me to cover as part of these videos, do let me know. Also, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock markets. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.